honestly, right now for $245, I'm not really that pleased with it. Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I just got some new Away luggage, and the whole reason that I splurged and got the Away luggage is basically for the lifetime warranty. It's all over the place on Instagram and in the travel community, and it's supposed to be the best bag, but for me, with how often I travel, and I'll just get little $60 suitcases here and there, something like that, and after about 2 or 3 trips, I have to replace them. So all that money, time after time after time, I should have just had one of these guys anyway. So I want to open it up and kind of see if I like it and what the hype's all about, and then I'm going to travel with it in about a month. And it has this dust bag, which is really nice. So, you know, it's kind of luxurious when you have a dust bag, kind of like an expensive purse or something. And then it's nice too, because the months or weeks or days between your trip, you can store it with that to make it safer. So go ahead and open it. It's a pretty snug fit, or maybe I didn't see it enough. I didn't mean to get the black one. Honestly, I was having a lot of trouble on the website that morning because I was trying to use a 20% off code, and it wasn't working on my computer, but it was working on my phone. So after I dropped my son off at football, I ordered it on my phone instead, and my phone was just kind of dark and everything, and I accidentally ordered the black instead of the green. However, they did say that I could return it right away and get the green. So we'll see. So this is the bigger carry-on, and it's the expandable one. So I think retail it was $245, and then there's 20% off codes all over the internet. So it is a hard shell, like it's a normal hard shell, but it's actually fabric. They say it's a soft water resistant nylon, so that's really nice in case you know, go through water and everything like that, where your bag doesn't get messed up. So it's a bigger size carry-on. There is a smaller size carry-on as well, but I got the bigger one. I think it's about the same size as my old carry-on that I used to use. So I'm going to do a comparison of that a little later in the video. It does have these TSA approved locks here, which right now it's set to 0, and I went ahead and popped that open. Let's open it up. Okay, I like this because if you saw my last video about the different types of luggage, you know that I love something that's covered on this side and something that's covered on this side, and whether it's a zip or not. So this is their compression thing here, where it can compress everything down and kind of squeeze it down a lot more. So it's not necessarily a zipper on this side like I like, but I think this can be really helpful. You know, you have some sweaters or something and you just want to squish it. So I'll probably end up putting squishier things on this side, and then shoes and hats and things like that on this side. So on this side you do have where the handles and everything are, so it does have little grooves here, but that's okay. And the lining does open up for whatever reason. You could probably even hide stuff in that side if you want to. It does have a little pocket here with, I believe this is the laundry bag. It is detachable, so that's kind of cool. We'll put that back in. It's a nice little thing. Go over to this side. It does have a nice mesh inside. Breathable. So open that up, and same thing. It's not as deep as I thought because I have the pocket on the other side. I'm not even sure, honestly, if I can fit. I'm trying to see if I have a shoe around here, an actual shoe in here. So that's kind of interesting. definitely something to think about. I'll show you guys in a second, but there's a pocket on the outside that opens up and you can put things in that. So definitely because of the pocket on the outside, it is not as deep as what I'm used to. This side's a little bit deeper, but it has the handles. This really isn't as deep. So that's kind of something I don't like. You know, you can always get them, put this back together, without the pocket in the front. I thought I would really like the pocket in the front, but if it's not gonna give me as much room in my suitcase, then I might not be crazy about that. So this is the pocket in the front. It does open up like this. So there is quite a bit of room. You know, you're supposed to put your laptop and, you know, passport and little things like that. It's got kind of a nice little halfway deep pocket. It's got a zipper. This can hold a laptop and then maybe just paperwork and stuff. It's probably good. Like when we just went to Africa, I had a folder full of our vaccine records, and COVID tests and stuff like that. So that's kind of nice. However, I do have a space in my backpack for that keeps your laptop and keeps stuff like that. So maybe I don't need this. Maybe I should just get the normal expandable carry-on that doesn't have the front compartment, because see how much more room this is taking when it could just be a couple inches deeper for the actual packing. So that's kind of interesting. I do want to see if it fits my laptop though. Okay, I'm gonna see, obviously it's gonna fit my MacBook, but I just kind of want to see how it fits in there. It is pretty nice. There's still a lot of room. Obviously I could put my passport in here, stuff like that, but I always travel with a backpack, so I don't know. Let's zip those back up. Hopefully I don't forget them in there. The handles, it's pretty nice. It's pretty, having a hard time going down. I don't know, you guys. After watching a bunch of other these unboxing videos, they had the battery pack, and I don't have the battery pack in mine, which is fine. I don't need it. I travel with a battery pack all the time anyway. I do want to take it to my next trip to Mexico for sure. They do have a 100-day trial for you, where if you have traveled with it and you don't like it, you can totally send it back and get all of your money back. And like I said, they do have a lifetime warranty. So if your zipper breaks or the wheels break or something happens to the shell of it, they will send you another one or fix it. I'm not really sure how that works. And like I said, I do like that idea because my other carry-on right now, the zipper is broken, and then my checked bag right now, the wheel is broken, and I don't have warranties on those. So it is kind of nice for that aspect. That's exactly what I want. Okay, so now let's compare the Away Bigger Carry-On to my usual carry-on, which is from Calpac. I'm not too familiar with the brand. I think I got this at a discount store. It's probably about 60 bucks, 70 bucks, something like that. It is a total hard shell, like, yeah, so it's a little bit different sounding. It's kind of scuffed up because sometimes I check it and sometimes I carry it on. The handles, this one comes up a little bit more. This one's a little tighter, you can't pull it up. Size-wise, this one's definitely taller, and this one's shorter. I do have a little measuring tape with me, so let's kind of see how that measures up. Is about 19 inches. Heels is 20, so it's definitely an inch bigger. What I really want to do is open up the inside of each of them, because since this one has a pocket on the outside, it's not as deep on the inside of that. And this one is my favorite because you open it up and it's deep on both sides, so you can really pack a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's not, if it's the same size, but if it's not, so it's only 3 inches deep. Four and a half inches deep, 4 1/4. But like I said, it has the shell of that in there, which makes that only about 3 inches. So that's a really interesting one. And then let's measure out Old Faithful here. So this is a lot deeper. Of course, on the side it does have that comes up, and like I said, it does shut on both sides, which can be compression, even though it's not the, you know, push down aspect that the Away bag had. But this side that doesn't have the handles is 5 inches deep, and when it's expanded it goes up to about 6. So this is a lot more space in this carry-on that's essentially the same size. And on this side it's 4. So you definitely have more room in the CalPack. You guys, it can barely fit one of Brian's shoes in it, you know? So if he's gonna have shoes, and this is on the compression side, like, I don't know, it can barely fit one of his shoes. It's just kind of hitting the top. In order to pack him an extra pair of shoes, I would have to, I don't know, it won't even fit on this side. It's, I don't know, I'm not super happy about that. But it really fits perfectly in this one, and it's not even expanded yet. So yeah, the other one's just, I don't think it's gonna work. This is so much better. So as of right now, in Lauren's luggage competition, this Away bag, it's absolutely gorgeous, but definitely doesn't have as much space as my CalPack. So I'm gonna have to do some thinking. All right, so I did a little bit more research, and with the Away bags, I don't know, I sent them an email with all the concerns that I had, and I was taking a look on the website, and you know, I really liked the water resistant nylon. I really liked the expandable carry-on, and of course the bigger carry-on size. And the other bigger carry-on size that they have is their typical normal hard shell, but it doesn't expand. And I think I need the expansion, I really do. So I did write to them and said, could you measure the inside of the other one? Because I want to see how deep it is. I said the suitcase I'm comparing it to is about 5 inches deep, not expanded, and this one's just a little bit too small. And I did tell them I really want to be a part of the Away family, and I really want to be in the club with the popular kids, but I can't keep this bag, I don't think. So I'm waiting to see their reply. Maybe that one will be better, I'm not sure. I did try to look into like the Monos one, if that's how you pronounce it. Didn't seem to be all that impressed with theirs. I did look into some other ones, but for what I'm looking for, I even went on the CalPack website and they don't have anything like the bag that I purchased. I think the one I really want to try is the base larger carry-on. It does expand and it does close on both sides and has lots of really cool pockets for storage. So that's the one that I'm leaning towards right now. I want to wait and hear back from Away, and I'd like to look at some more reviews of the base luggage, but I think that's what I might try once I return this one. I don't know. Do you guys think that I should bring this on my next trip and give it a try, or do you think I should just return it? I mean, the biggest thing to me is it doesn't fit a shoe. You know, I mean, I don't really travel with gym shoes very often, but if I ever do a hike or something and I can't fit a shoe in it, and that's kind of stupid. I don't know. I don't think I can do it. We tried. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some honest feedback. Honestly, I was so excited when the box came in the mail last night. I honestly had a really bad day at work and I just wanted to, you know, open it up and love it. And I said, let me wait till tomorrow. Let me do an unboxing video. And then I was even thinking to myself, how is my unboxing video going to be different than anyone else's? Because everyone's like, oh my God, I love it so much. But guess what? I didn't love it. So that's how my unboxing video is different from everyone else's. And I'm really bummed. I really wanted to like it, but I guess I don't. So stay tuned. Hopefully I'll get another one soon and I can give you guys an update. Go ahead and like this video if you want to find more videos of my luggage journey. And of course subscribe, it would help us a lot. We put out videos twice a week. We'll see you guys soon.